Here some question are given. Question is that a square plus 2ab minus 3b square minus 41 is equal to 0. What is the value of a square minus b square is equal to what? How to solve this problem? Condition is that a, b belong to natural number. Let's start. If you come in my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Let's start solution. First of all, see here, according to question, a square minus 2ab minus 3b square minus 41 is equal to 0. After next step, see here, this 41 comes this side. See here, a square minus 2ab minus 3b square is equal to 41. After next step, see here, both sides. See here, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b square minus 3b square is equal to 41. See here, b square plus b square minus, both are cancelled, left it 0. So after next step, see here, only this side. See here, a square minus 2ab plus b square, this is in the form of a plus b whole square form. After next step, see here, left it minus b square minus 3b square, means that minus 4b square is equal to 41. After next step, see here, a plus b whole square minus 4 will be written as 2 square, b square is equal to 41. After next step, see here, a plus b whole square minus, according to exponential rule, here apply that 2b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to, that will be written as a square b square. This exponential rule apply in this place. See here. After next step, see here, this is in the form of, see here, x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y. This rule apply in this place. See here, this is x, this is y. So after next step, see here, a plus b minus 2b into a plus b minus plus 2b bracket close is equal to 41. After next step, see here, a minus b into a plus 3b bracket close is equal to 41. See here minus 2b, here b, left it a minus b, b minus 2b, left it b, here 2b, here b plus 2b means 3b. After next step, see here 41. How much factor of 41? See here, how much factor of 41? First factor, see here, 1 into 41. Case number 1. Second, 41 into 1. This is case number 2. After, see here, minus 1 into minus 41. Case number 3. Minus 41 into minus 1. Case number 4. See here, first of all, this is in the form of negative or positive. This is negative or positive. This is positive. So see here, this is negative, this is also negative. So according to question, AB belong to natural number. This is in the form of negative form, so they will be rejected. After left it only two case. So solve case number 1. Case number 1. According to question, see here case number 1. First case number telling that a minus b into a plus 3b is equal to 1 into 41. So see here a minus b is equal to 1, a plus 3b is equal to 41, minus, see here, minus here, minus here, minus, see here how much is equal to here 40 minus 40 minus 40 here, this will be cancelled here, minus 4b. After next step, see here minus 4b is equal to minus 40. Both side divided by minus 4. Both side divided by minus 4. Next step, see here minus 4b is equal to minus 40 divided by minus 4 minus 4. See here minus 4 cancel here, minus cancel here, left it 10. Therefore b is equal to 10. Here b value how much? 10. After next step, see here a minus b is equal to 1. A minus b value how much? 10 is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 1 plus 10. Therefore a is equal to 11. See here a value how much? 11. Therefore a comma b value is that a value 11, b value 10. This is the case 1 value. After next step, see here case number 2. Case number 2. Case number 2 telling that a minus b into a plus 3b bracket close is equal to 41 into 1. Therefore a minus b is equal to 41. A plus 3b is equal to 1. See here minus 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 minus. This will be cancelled here. Minus 4b is equal to 40. After next step, see here both side divided by minus 4. See here minus 4b divided by minus 4 is equal to 40 divided by minus 4. Here minus 4 cancel, here cancel. How much time? 10 time. Therefore b is equal to minus 10. Here b value how much? Minus 10. See here next step, see here a minus b is equal to 41. Therefore a minus b value minus 10 is equal to 41. A plus 10 is equal to 41. Therefore a is equal to 41 minus 10. A is equal to how much? 31. Here a value 31. A value 31. Therefore a comma b value is that, see here a value 31, b value minus 10. See here a value 31, b value minus 10. So this not follow, this value does not follow to, this value does not, this value does not apply the condition. This value does not apply the condition, so they will be rejected. They will be rejected. They will be rejected because see here negative form, negative 10, here positive 10 only belong to positive, means that belong to natural number that will be accepted. So here minus 10, so they will be rejected. After next step, see here when a comma b value 11 or 10, only this value will be accepted. Therefore a square minus b square is equal to 11 square minus 10 square. a square minus b square is equal to 11 square 121, 10 square 100. A square minus b square is equal to how much? 21. This is the final value of a square minus b square. Value is that 21. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.